Fill your super bottle with water. The application solution is already inside. Shake until soapy. Using a microfiber cloth, cover your speakers before spraying cleaning solution over the door kickers. Make sure to clean the area really well with the interior cleaner. Spray both your hands with the install solution provided. Spray the door kicker area. Spray the exterior of the PPF piece before peeling. Peel and spray the inside too. Start aligning the opposite end of the door speaker to the top edge. Holding the corner, squeegee from the inside to outer edges, working your way down. Be careful when you get to the speaker. Hold a microfiber cloth to the speaker when squeegeeing the area. That way it doesn't get wet. Squeegee the top edges, making sure you're going outward to get the soap out. Please note the alignment for the top edge as a reference. Inspect and get all remaining soap out to the best of your ability. Using a clean microfiber cloth, wipe down the soap gently. Let it dry for at least 24 hours to cure.